Hello and welcome. Now, Google Analytics no longer sends out custom reports automatically. And so you'll need to find other ways to monitor what's happening in your online properties. However, there are custom alerts, and custom alerts will give you the opportunity to get an email or text message telling you when certain events have happened in your online web properties. Now, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the customization area and then you'll want to click Custom Alerts. Then you'll click Manage Custom Alerts. Then you'll click New Alert. Now, of course, you are going to pick a new alert for the particular web property that you're working with. However, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of the kind of alert that you want to set up. You can set a particular day, week, or month for the period, and then you can actually set up an alert based on the goals that you have already set up for your site. So in this particular case, we've already set up some goals, and we can make it so that we're contacted when we're meeting those goals in a certain way. So for example, if we decide to name an alert, goal reach opt-in on a particular day, so we want to be alerted on a particular day when we reach a certain goal, we're going to have ourselves to be emailed. We can also set up our mobile device. Now, what we're going to do with our goals in particular is we are going to set our alert conditions based on our goals. And so we can make a determination that when our sales made are greater than a certain percentage, increase by a certain percentage, or increase on a percentage basis, then we can have ourselves an alert sent. And this in some ways is even more convenient than having a report sent. So let's say that what we want to do is we want to determine that the sales value for a particular day is above $270, that we want to have an alert sent to us. And then we have one alert. We can actually set multiple alerts. So we can actually set a new alert based on another goal that we have. So if we pick one of our goals, this time we can determine that we want to have an opt-in goal. And we want to be alerted when the conversion rate increases by more than 1% compared to the same day last week. Now again, what you're doing is you're basically creating custom alerts in the form of a report when you actually get the results. So as you start to grow into looking at your data on an everyday basis, you will then start to determine what you want to be alerted by and have Google Analytics automate the sending of this report. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.